Hey guys, what's going on? WC here. So today it's my time to do unbox a used Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box packaging. This is used unit. Finally, I got a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So now let's unbox. So here's the box. Alright, so this is the phone. Wow. Oh, wow, look at that. Very nice. This is warranty sticker. Wow. So I bought this very cheap price. For the condition, it is fair minus. First thing, let me show you. On the left side, the battery cover almost came off. Look at that. But later I can re-glue it, no problem. And the second thing is, it doesn't come with S Pen. The S Pen is missing, but it's okay. The cheapest price. Very nice. Let's see what else on the box. So we have this travel adapter. Fake Oppo charging brick. Look at that. It's not the original Oppo. And the last one, we have a Type-C cable. I'm not going to use it because since it's not original, I'll keep it this. Alright, so my Galaxy Note 10 has been set up by me. Look at this. Lock screen and the home screen. Wow. First thing first, let me show you what version it runs. This is the first version ever it runs. We didn't update it yet. Android 9 Pie with One UI 1.5. The latest should be Android 12 with One UI 4. So later I'm going to update it. Very nice. Compare with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Wow. Very nice. I'm so happy with it. Yep, this is my second purchase. I bought Google Pixel 3a, which is this phone, same shop. So far my Google Pixel runs well. No problem at all. So before I end this video, you can give me feedback for this unboxed Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in 2024 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.